I just wanted to show you real quick how the 3624 LT works. We're cleaning your manifolds in a smaller machine because we didn't want to add 70 gallons of solution in here just for a small run. Your cleaning will be the same as what you're going to see on your cleaning report though, but I want you to see how this works. We set up the agitation time, the ultrasonic time, the filtration time. We're just going to run a short cycle here so you can see how it works. So your people would load a basket or 2 baskets. We're just doing one now, but it'll hold 2 baskets. We're going to agitate. We have this set for 30 seconds to agitate. I'm sorry, 15 seconds to agitate. Ultrasound comes on. We're cleaning your parts now. We've wetted all the solution and everything. We've got it set for 1 minute just to show you how it works. And then I'll show you how at the end of the cleaning cycle, we're going to send clean water across the top into an overflow tank where all the greases and oils go before we lift the table up. So we're not going to redeposit any oils or little metal fines or anything that we've taken off. So when that's skimming, at the same time, we're also cleaning the water through dual filtration over here. So we keep the water clean from particles, and we also keep it clean from the debris and oils and stuff on top. So we're almost done with our 1 minute here. We've got 4 seconds to go. And then out of clean water, we're going to agitate just a little bit while we rinse. But see now, take a look where all that surface debris is going to be coming before we come out of the water. Our water level was a little bit low, so it didn't come over. Now we come up, they're going to dry quickly because we're going to run about 160 degrees. They're going to flash dry, and we're ready to go. And we could load another 2 baskets on there. This has a 500-pound capacity, so it'll be more than enough to do a lot of your manifolds stacked in here. So I just wanted you to see that. We'll be sending the parts back to you. Take a look at them. But this is the unit that we're finishing up for you. Thank you.